Ready to use your Maryland College Investment Plan account? Congratulations! You should be proud of your savings and for planning ahead so you're prepared for tuition and other higher education expenses. For some of you, your child just graduated from high school and they're ready to start the next chapter of their life. Or maybe you just need a quick refresher on how to use your account for the distribution process. Whether your child has chosen to attend a university or a trade school, locally or out of state, or is using their funds for another qualified education expense, the time has come for you to take a distribution from your Maryland College Investment Plan account. Taking a distribution online is easy. You can log into your account from the Maryland 529 website. When you're in your account dashboard, click the View Details button for the account you're looking to distribute funds from. On the next page, click the Make a Distribution option from the menu on the left side of the screen. After selecting whether the distribution will be used for qualified education expenses or non-qualified expenses, follow the steps on screen to finalize and submit your distribution request. Now it's time for you to choose how you want the funds to be distributed. Your distribution can be sent electronically to over 800 educational institutions, or in the form of a check mailed directly to the school. It can also be sent electronically by Automated Clearinghouse, ACH, or by having a check mailed to yourself, the account owner, or your beneficiary. You can also complete the distribution request form that can be found in the account owner section of the Maryland 529 website and mail it back to us. With your Maryland College Investment Plan account, you can request a distribution at any time. We do our best to send your distribution as quickly as possible. Remember, your account can be used at virtually any U.S. college, technical, or trade school, and even international universities that have a federal school code, for qualified education expenses such as tuition, fees, room and board, books, course-specific fees, and supplies. You can also use it for tuition at private, public, or religious K-12 schools limited to $10,000 per year per beneficiary. The beneficiary's student loan payments up to a $10,000 lifetime maximum, and books, fees, equipment, and other supplies for registered apprenticeship programs. Distributions from your account are either qualified or non-qualified as determined by the IRS. When money is withdrawn from your account to pay for qualified expenses, any investment gains are distributed federally tax-free, provided you do not also claim all or part of these qualified education expenses as an American Opportunity or Lifetime Learning Credit. Even if your beneficiary decides higher education isn't part of their path, you can keep your account to use at a later date, or name a new beneficiary that is related to the current beneficiary. Additionally, you may roll over unused funds to a Roth IRA maintained for the same account beneficiary. The 529 plan account must have been maintained for at least 15 years, and only contributions and accompanying earnings made more than 5 years prior can be rolled over. The amount eligible for rollover each year cannot exceed the IRA contribution limit, and there is an aggregate limit of $35,000 over a beneficiary's lifetime. You can proceed with this option by downloading the Rollover to Roth IRA form from the Account Owner section of the Maryland 529 website and mailing the completed form to us. If you do decide to take a non-qualified distribution of all or part of your account assets, keep in mind that the federal and/or state taxes and penalties may apply. Talk to your tax professional for details. And remember, we'll send you or your beneficiary a 1099-Q showing your distributions for tax purposes, but it's your responsibility to retain all records of expenses. For more information on account owner distributions, visit the distributions webpage on the Maryland 529 website. While distributions from 529 college savings plans for elementary or secondary education tuition expenses are federally tax-free, state tax treatment will vary and could include state income taxes assessed, the recapture of previously deducted amounts from the state taxes, and/or state-level penalties. You should consult with a tax or legal professional for additional information. The Maryland Senator Edward J. Casemeyer College Investment Plan Disclosure Statement provides investment objectives, risks, expenses and costs, fees, and other information you should read and consider carefully before investing. If you or your beneficiary live outside of Maryland, you should compare the Maryland College Investment Plan to any college savings program offered by your home state or your beneficiary's home state, which may offer state tax or other state benefits such as financial aid, scholarship funds, and protection from creditors that are only available for investments in such state's 529 plan.